Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix low FPS and performance issue with New World game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to go ahead and try to launch the game in window mode. So click on play. Now once you launch the game, and then on the top you will see the settings icon. So click on settings over here, click on this gear icon. Now go to visuals. Now over here you can go ahead and select window mode, and if that does not work you can go ahead and select full screen and check which one is working fine for you. You can also try to lower down the other graphics settings. So over here everything is set to medium in my case. So if you're in your case, if it is set to very high or high, you can go ahead and select medium, and then you can also select low. So try to lower down the graphics settings, then apply the settings, and then try to launch the game. Now the next step is to close all the background applications. So go ahead and close everything. Make sure only the Steam and the game is running. Also close all the browser. So if you have Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or any browser open, go ahead and close. Also turn off overlay. So go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, and then go to general tab, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game, and then try to launch the game. Also close all the overlay applications. So if you have any other overlay applications, such as if you have Discord running on the computer, go ahead and close Discord. Now if you have GeForce Experience running on the computer, go ahead and close GeForce Experience. So just close all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking application. So if you have MSI Afterburner running on the computer, go ahead and close MSI Afterburner. Now in case if you have ReverTuner running on the computer, go ahead and close ReverTuner. Now perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box, and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. First of all, put a check over here first, then click on disable all. In my case it's grayed out, in your case it will be highlighted because I already did it. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK, and you will see the restart option. Restart your computer and then try to launch the game. Also stop all the downloads. Make sure that you are not using the internet. Make sure that you are not downloading any other game. So go ahead and stop all the downloads on your computer. Now the next step is to set Windows power settings to high performance. For this, open this command. So type in run in Windows search box, and then in the run box go ahead and type in powercfg.cpl and then click on OK. This command is provided in the video description. Now over here you have to go ahead and select high performance plan. Now in my case it's not there. In your case you might have to click on additional plan, and if you have to go ahead and check high performance plan. If you find high performance plan, go ahead and check it. If you don't find it, you can skip this step. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then click on update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to launch the game. The next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD, go to AMD website. So I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card and select the right operating system over here. Then click on search. Now click on download. Again click on download. And once the download is complete, you have to run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. And after the clean installation, restart your computer and then try to launch the game. The next step is to verify the game files. So go to the Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification try to launch the game. The next step is to run antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus on your computer, go ahead and run a scan. In case if you're using Windows Security, go to settings, then click on Windows Security. Now click on virus and threat protection, and over here you can see quick scan option, so you can go ahead and run a scan. So just run a scan, and after that you can go ahead and try to launch the game. Now the next step is to run the game on the dedicated graphic card. So if your computer came with two graphic card, one is Intel, other is Nvidia or AMD, and if you have a laptop, then you can go ahead and make sure that you're running the game on the dedicated graphic. For this, go ahead and type in graphics settings in Windows search box, and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse and go to the game installation folder. So in your case it may be in C drive, so open C drive, then open program files x86, then open the Steam folder, then open the Steam apps folder, and then open the common folder, and over here you will find the game folder. In my case it's in D drive, so open Steam folder, Steam apps common, and then open new world folder, and then open bin64. Do not add this exe file, add bin64, open bin64, and then select new world exe, add it. In my case it's already added over here, and then click on options and select high performance, and then click on save. Once this is added, you can go ahead and add the launcher as well, no problem in that, because I already added it. I'm not facing any problem. So select the launcher, then click on add, and once it is added, you can go ahead and click on options, then select high performance, then click on save, and then try to launch the game. Now the next step is to restore the graphic card to default settings. For this I'm showing for Nvidia, so make a right click on the desktop and then click on Nvidia control panel, and then go to manage 3D settings over here, and then under global status, under global settings, you can see restore option. So click on restore, click on yes, and then try to launch the game. Okay, after you click on restore, click on yes, and after this click on apply on the bottom. And once this is done, you can go ahead and close this and then try to launch the game. Now the last step is to make sure that your PC is not overheating. So overheating can also cause a lot of issues. So one of the steps should definitely help you to improve the FPS and improve the performance on your computer. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.